Hi guys, welcome back to my channel for the CVS haul of the week of June 27th to July 3rd. I can't believe that we're already done with halfway through this year, so I'm wishing everybody the best as we continue on to finish up the year. So with that being said, let's get into this deal. So on my first transaction, I did the Uikism. This week is spend 20 get $5 back and buy one get one free. Buy one get one half off. Okay, for my CRTs this week, I have a 5 off of 15 Uikism. I have a 4 off of 2 app coupon, manufacturers coupon, and I also printed one from coupons.com, 4 off of 2, and I have a 3 off of 3 pad that I received last week that I didn't use. When I checked online, the Uikism was $6.99, but at my store it was $7.49. So 2 is full price and 2 is half off. So it's pretty much you're getting 4 pads for the price of 3. So I applied the whole coupons applied. I used $7 extra buck because with my calculation with the online price, I was supposed to pay 5 and get 5 back. So with the price at the store, I was supposed to pay 7, but one of my extra bucks adjusted to $2.46 instead of the $3 I gave them, because I gave them a $4 and a $3. So I ended up paying $6.46. I got back $5. And don't forget to scan your receipt in Ibotta. This week they're giving back $2 for Uikism. So with that, I was supposed to be making $2 on this deal, but now I'm not making anything and it's just making everything free. Without the Ibotta, I'll be paying only $2 for the 4 pads, making it 50 cents each, which is still a good deal. But when I get my cash back from Ibotta, the whole deal will be free. So that's still a good deal. With that being said, let's go to the next transaction. On my next transaction, I did the Revlon deal. This week is buy 2 get $5 back, limit of 6. I have a whole bunch of CRTs for this, so what I did was pick up 6 kiss bombs for $5.59. I have a 5 off of 25 Revlon, 4 off of Revlon, 2 50% off, and also a 20% off that I got from text message this week, last week, sorry. So when you're using the percentage off at CVS, try not to pay with extra bucks, because the percentage off always comes out after your extra buck applies. So it brought down my total to $5.92. I only paid $5.92 plus tax, and I got $15 back, extra bucks back, because I picked up 6 items. And remember, it's buy 2 get $5 back. And I still have, if I want to go back and do more, I can still do 3 more transactions, but I don't think I need that. I wouldn't even do this if I don't have these good CRTs. So, and also remember, I got more than $30 worth of beauty products in 48 hours. I'll be getting another $3. That's making this whole thing a lot of money makers. And also this also helps out when you have deals like this to offset your bills from the ones that you didn't make that much money from. So, and the $15 I got, I use it in my next transaction. So let's go over to that one and see how that applied. On this deal, I did the mouthwash, toothbrush, speed stick, the free gummy bear from CVS, and I also did the Kinder Joy, but my kids already ate that, so let me talk about that first. It's 2 for $3. Scan your receipt at checkout 51. It will give you $2.38 back, making both 62 cents each. And also, you have to watch a video to get that rebate. And for the mouthwash and the toothbrush, this week is buy 2 get 5 back, and each one is $4.49. I have a CRT for 2 off of 12 mouthwash. That's why I picked up 3 mouthwashes, and also $2 from the app, and also $2 for the toothbrush. I have a printable coupon from the Colgate.com. I don't think that's still available. I use that. And for the speed stick, it's buy 2 for $5.50 and get $2 back. I have 2 off of 2 speed sticks, and I also have a printable coupon from speedstick.com for 50 cents each. I use 2. And also this down here is the CVS gummy bear, that's free. It's $1.49. Let me go close to the receipt so that you see how all my coupons applied, and that's just the $15 I got back from the Revlon we just talked about. So I used that. I only paid $1.71 plus tax, and I got back a $10 for the Colgate and a $2 for the Speed Stick, making everything just, I would say just 68 cents, because remember I'm getting back the $2.38. So the only thing I paid is just the $3 that you don't see here, but I'll get back the $2.38. Everything here is just 62 cents. That's a really good deal. So let's move over to the next one. But before I go, because this is from another card, I'll also be showing you how you'll be doing this same Colgate deal if you have another card that have the same CRT. So you'll be getting a bonus clip in this video to make sure that you don't miss out on this deal. On my next transaction, I did a mouthwash and the toothbrush deal. This week is buy 2 get $5 back, and each one is priced at $4.49. Check your app, you will find a 2 off of mouthwash and 2 off of toothbrushes. If you get Smart Sauce, check, you also have a 1 off of mouthwash and 1 off of toothbrush. So I used what I have to do this deal. So after the $2 off applied, I use a 4 off of 16 Colgate, and I also use a $10 extra buck. The $10 adjusted to $9.96, and I paid only tax of 62 cents, and I got a $10 back. I don't have the $10 here because I rolled it over to the next deal. So we will be moving over to the next deal to see how that applied. On my next transaction, I did the spend 20, get $5 back. This week we don't have the spend 30, get $10 back, or spend 45, get $15 back. So what I did was pick up 2 Scots for $8.99 each, making it $17.98. And also I picked up the Tide to get to the $20 for $4.94. I have a CRT for 4 off of 20 paper products. So since my Scott is just $17.98, I picked up the 3 free green products, and I have a CRT. Instead of paying $3.49, I have a CRT to pay just $2 for the 3 free green. And this week is buy 1 get 1 free. So that took me up to the $20, and I got the 4 off of 20. I have an app coupon for Scott, $1 off. And I also have a paper coupon from the June P&G for 2 off of Tide. And the 3 free green, the $2 I paid for it. And I used a $17 extra bucks. And when I get back my $5 extra buck, the $5 you see right there, everything came down to $12.92. And scan your receipt at Ibotta, you will also get a $2 back. That will make this whole product for $10.92, making each one maybe less than $3 for each product, and that's already 5 products right there. So, and you know, paper products can be very expensive, so anytime you can actually see this cheap, grab it. So let's move over to the next deal. And also, before I forget, the $10 I got from the Colgate is what I used on this deal. My next transaction is on the Airhead candy. This week we have a good Ibotta rebate for this. Each one you get a 75 cents back, up to 5. And also shopkicks, you get 430 kicks. So it's buy 3 get $3 back, and each one is priced at $2.89, and it's buy 1 get 1 half off. So you pay full price for 2 and you pay half off for 2. So you're getting 4 bags of candy for the price of 3. So I have a 2 off of 8 any candy. I used $5 extra bucks, and I paid $1.66 and plus tax. So when I get my Ibotta rebate and my Shopkick rebate, this will make this whole thing free and $1 money maker. So with that being said, let's move over to the next deal. And you can see my $3 extra buck that I got back after buying the 3. This transaction is the free candy everybody's supposed to get this week. Check your CVS app and make sure you clip the candy CLT. And also when you go get it, make sure you scan in all the candies, because I heard that all of them are not coming off as free. And also pick one that is less than $2 so that at least you don't have to pay anything extra. This is a free candy for everybody that is a member for this week. My next deal is on the Hallmark card. Last week I have a 3 off of 2. I didn't use it and I got another one this week. So, and this week is buy 2 get 1 free. So I combined both, picked up 3, and I only paid the tax because the whole thing, it took off the whole amount. So this ended up being free. So when you see deals like this, grab it. My next transaction is still on Hallmark. On my second card, I did something that I never knew used to happen because the cashier actually helped me out with this one. I have a 3 off of 2 Hallmark, and also I picked up just 3 because it's buy 2 get 1 free, and it wasn't applying, so he asked me to grab more bags. I picked up 9 bags and the whole $3 applied. I only paid tax. So try and see if it can also work for you, because I got 9 of those pink bags for only paying 33 cents tax. So I never knew this is possible, but I found out today. Maybe next week if I get the 3 off of 2, I'll be picking up 6 bags and see how that applies. Okay, let's move over to the next transaction. On my final transaction, I just have 2 3 off CVS Sun Care CRTs, so I wanted to use it. So I picked up this Sun Care After Sun Aloe Vera Soothing Cream for $4.29. I used the 2 $3 off. It reduced one of it to $1.29. I don't want to pay extra because this week is actually buy 1 get 1 50% off. So I just did it, and I wasn't even charged tax for this. So I got this for free. So that's my final transaction. I hope you all learned something from this. And if you have any suggestion or any more deals, because I think I'll be going back again, because I don't get my safe insert till Wednesday, because they deliver that in the mail and we get it for free here. So I'll be doing the L'Oreal Revive and also the Love Beauty and Planet deal, the hair care deal. I think I'll be doing that too. So I don't think I'll be posting a video because I don't want to bombard you guys with videos. And if you have any comments, please leave a comment, subscribe, like, share, and turn on your notification bell. And if I do the deal, I will be posting the description of the hair care deal I did in the comment section. So see you all next week, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.